Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jyoti and I'm here to help you in living your most happiest and joyful life that you are meant to live. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about gratitude. What is gratitude? Why gratitude? And how gratitude can magically change your life. First of all, I would tell you that no matter what kind of hopeless situation in your life right now, no matter how bad you feel that your career is, how bad you feel your relationships are, and you may find that nothing in your life is working in your favor. But I am here to tell you that with gratitude, nothing is impossible. With gratitude, you can have everything. Your wildest dreams are possible. In fact, gratitude is the single most thing that all of us need in order to bring everything that we want into our lives. So what is gratitude and why gratitude? Nikola Tesla said that if you want to understand the secrets of the universe, you should look for them in terms of energy, vibration and frequency. What does it mean? That means that everything is energy. Everything is vibration. If you're constantly complaining, you're complaining about the weather, you're complaining about the traffic, you're complaining about the everything, you're complaining about 2 years back when somebody said something to you, that means that you are in a state of complaining. So you would most likely, in fact 100%, you are more likely to find yourself in a situation that are going to represent that. That means that they are going to be unpleasant, and that means they are going to be unfulfilling. So when you are complaining, that means you are saying that I am not fulfilled, I am not content, and I am not, happy with my life. Alright? So, and why are you not happy is because you are focusing on the things that are not making you happy. Everything is in balance. There are things that is going to make you happy, and there are things that are going to make you otherwise. But what are you focusing on? Are you constantly reminding yourself of your blessings, or are you constantly being worried about all the things that you don't have and all the things that were gone bad in the past? What are you focused upon? So whenever you find yourself in a situation where you did not want yourself to be in, or how you seem to be always in a situation that is bad for you and everything, understand that you have created it. Yes, you have created it. That means that you have the power to create wonderful, powerful and great things for yourself. So leave everything that you have created up until this point. You are always creating, but from this point forward, you are going to be creating with awareness. So what are you going to do? You're just going to, it's very simple. You're going to wire your mind to see the appreciation, for the appreciation for everything. For example, what I do is the moment that I wake up, everything that I touch, I say thank you. I touch my pillow, I say thank you for the pillow. I say thank you for the clean sheets. I say thank you for the blanket. I say thank you for the electricity. I say thank you for the clean water. I say thank you for the proper sewage facility in the house. I say thank you for the clean house. I literally everything that I touch, I say thank you for it. What does it do to me? So for example, you wake up and you get worried about what happened to you 2 years back, and then you are, then you open your phone, and then now you are, jealous of your friend that just bought a nice car, and then you see the news, so now you are fearful, and now you speak to your mom, and then she tells you something, and then you are just frustrated, and then you go a friend comes to you, and then he also seems off, he or she. That means what did you do? do you know what did you do? You just gave your power away. That means, everybody can switch. You are like a bulb. Anybody can switch on and switch off. You would never want to do that to you. You would like to take your power back to you. And gratitude is the way. So when you wake up, start reminding yourself for the things you're grateful for. You can be grateful for the new day. You can be grateful to the God. You can be grateful for everything. So I have the journal. From last 4 years, I've been writing 10 things that I am grateful for. So how do I write? I say, I'm grateful to the universe for this new day because I understand it's a blessing. I'm grateful to the universe for the water bottle because it helps me in carrying the water and other things. Every simple thing does not matter. Also, you can be grateful you have to direct your gratitude towards something. Like you can say, I am grateful to universe, or I am grateful to God, I am grateful to spirit. Does not matter. You have to direct your gratitude towards something, and then you have to say why you are grateful, what you are grateful for. Like I am grateful to universe for the water bottle, and I am grateful for it because it helps me carrying the water. So I am grateful to the universe for this water bottle because it helps me in carrying the water. So when you state why you are grateful for something, your gratitude deepens. You feel it more and it generates certain similar emotions. Alright, so the more deepen your gratitude is, the greater, the magical the results are going to be. And it does not matter. For the starter, you can just get into the practice of gratitude, and gratitude is more powerful when you are like you're just waking up or when you are going to sleep, because that time your brain is in a very hypnotic, like theta waves they say, hypnotic state, and you can actually rewire it for the things that you want to see. You have the power, my friend. You have the power. Utilize it. You have been utilizing it all your life, but you were doing it unconsciously, so you were not been able to utilize it for your greater benefit, but you can now. And gratitude is one of the greatest frequency, so everything is energy and everything is vibration. So you don't have to go out and change. Suppose you have a ill relationship with your friend, all right, and you don't have to go and change your friend. That is the biggest mistake that you can do, is go out and change something, whereas you have to go within. Everything happens from here, so you have to go within and change it. So anger, fear, shame, guilt, they are all low vibrations, all right. And then you come to awareness, gratitude. Gratitude is one of the greatest vibration. When you start incorporating gratitude every single day of your life, you will change your vibration, you will change your energy field. And when you change your energy field, you change your life. Suddenly you will see the wonderful people start coming into your life. You will have more than money that you ever had in your life. You will have beautiful opportunities coming to you that you were never seem to have, even through struggle and everything. And also you're not meant to struggle. Honestly, with gratitude, life is just so effortless. It's just so effortless, and everything that just comes to you. If I start telling you about the things that I have experienced in my life, that the video can go just little longer. But anyway, a summary of the video which is, forget it what happened up until this point. Realize that you can have every single thing that in your life right now, and all you have to do is just get grateful. Remind yourself the moment you wake up, and in fact you can write every 10 things you are grateful for. Write that. You will start changing your energy field, and you will start, when you say something like oh, I like this, I'm so grateful for this, I'm so grateful for, suppose I'm so grateful for my bottle, so universe is going to provide me like beautiful bottles, because whatever, it does not differentiate between anything. If you are grateful, you will see lot more things that you are going to be grateful for. If you are complaining, you are going to be finding lot more things that you are going to be complaining about. And even if you are in negative situation, you can turn it around by focusing on the positive situations in it, and you can find positive things in everything. You can find always find things that you are grateful for, because honestly you always have more to be grateful for than to be complaining about. Yes, so write your gratitude list, and I will see you in another video. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, as I release such wonderful videos every Monday and Friday. And yes, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because it will help me grow my channel. Like this video, and if you feel that you know your friend or anybody that can be benefited from this, share it with them, and let me know in the comments down below what else you would like to know from me, and how did it make you feel, or any clarity that you want. And in my next video, I will be talking about how you can use gratitude in order to create more abundance in your life. So make sure you hit that bell icon. Thank you so much.